Viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss that is sixth question. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are divided by x plus 2, leave the same remainder. Find the value of a. So let's take functions. Let's take f of x will be equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5. Then let's take p of x will be equal to x cube minus 2x square plus a. Why I am writing here x is, here all our variables are x. According to remainder theorem. So remainder theorem, what is that is, let's take f of x is divided by g of x function. Then g of x will be equal to x plus a. Then what is the remainder will be equal to f of, so f of minus a. That is the remainder. Why? Because here x plus a will be equate with the 0, then x is equals to minus a. So we need to substitute x value in the place of f of x and e of x. Then the remainder will be same. So let's take what is g of x. So here g of x will be equal to x plus 2. So x plus 2 will be equate with 0. Then x is equals to minus 2. So we have calculated x value from the g of x. That value, if you're going to substitute from this, f of x by g of x, that is f of remainder will be what? So for this function, remainder will be equal to f of minus 2. For this function, remainder will be equal to p of minus 2. So they are both are equal. That is, remainders are same. So if you substitute and equate with both, then we are going to get what is the value of a. So let's substitute the value of this. So what is f of x? F of x will be equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5. Then f of minus 2 will be equal to, that will be minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5. So minus 2 whole cube will be what? So here odd number came, for that minus will be minus, only 2 cube will be 8. So plus here plus a into, here even number came, for that minus will become plus, then 2 square will be 4. Plus 5. So minus 8 plus 4a plus 5. So what is this? So minus 8 and plus 5 are opposite symbols. Then it will going to subtract. So bigger number is 8. For that 8 minus 5 will be 3. So let's write 4a. 3 will be, then bigger number will be 8. For that before minus is there. So 4a minus 3. Then what is our g of p of x? So p of x will be equal to, so p of x will be equal to x cube minus 2x square plus a, minus 2x square plus a. Then what is p of minus 2? So this is a reminder, minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus a. So here even if odd number came, for that minus will become minus, only 2 cube will be 8. Then minus 2 into this minus 2, for that square is there, but the even number minus will become plus. Then 2 2s are 4 plus a. Then what is this? Minus 8 minus 2 4s are 8 plus a. Then what is this? Minus minus will go into 16 plus a, that is a minus 16. You can get like this also. Then we have to equate both of them. F of minus 2 equal to f p of minus 2. So what is f of minus 2? That is 4a minus 3. 4a minus 3, then p of minus 2 will be 8 minus 16. So all this was transferred to one side. So this a will become transferred this side, then 3 will become transferred this side. That is 4a minus a, that will be equal to minus 16 plus 3. Then 3a minus 30, a will be equal to minus 13 by 3. That is our answer. Thanks for watching. Please. Hello viewers, in this module we are going to discuss 7th question, that is find the remainder when f of x is divided by g of x, x minus 2, and verify the result by actual division. So what is this? So let's take f of x by g of x we have to take. So f of x will be equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. What is g of x? X minus 2. So according to remainder theorem, so remainder theorem, we have to learn about remainder theorem. So What is that theorem is, if you take f of x by g of x, so what is the remainder is f of, let's take g of x will be equal to x minus a. So f of a will be equal to, so here we equate with the what is the x value, we're going to substitute that remainder. So let's take here g of x, x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So g of x we equate with the f of x, g of x equate with the 0. So x minus 2 will be equal to 0, then x is equals to 2. So this value we are going to substitute in the remainder. So that is substituting the f of x. That is remainder will be f of 2 according to remainder theorem. So 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. Then 2 power 4 will be 16 minus 3 into 2 2s are 4 plus 4. So 16 minus 3 4s are 12 plus 4. So here 16 plus 4 will be 20. Then 20 minus 12 will be equal to 8. So what is the remainder? It will be equal to 8. Now we are going to do this problem with actual division. So what is the f of x? That the f of x will be equal to x power 4 minus 3x square. What is that function? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 plus 4. Then what is g of x? G of x will be equal to 2. G of x will be equal to x minus 2. So x minus 2. So let's divide f of x by g of x. So let's divide what is the functions, x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 by x minus 2. Then we are going to take what is the remainder we have to check. So x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 divided with x minus 2. So how to divide this one? What are the basic steps we have to follow? So here first term is what? X power 4. Here first term is what? X. So x power 4 by x you have to do. So x ones are x cube. X will going to cancel. Then what you will get? X cube. So here x will going to cancel. Then x cube will come. That means x cube into x you can write this one. Then xx will going to cancel. X cube will come. So here first term, that one. So this one we have to write in the form, in the place of quotient. So x cube. Then this x cube will going to calculate, multiply with it x minus 2. Then what is that? X cube into x minus 2 will become x power 4 minus 2 x cube minus 2 x cube. So here what you will get? X power 4 minus 2 x cube. 2 x cube. So 2 x cube. Then what is this? Write this one. So what you will get here? Then we have to change the symbols. For this minus, positive will become minus. This one will become plus. Minus will become plus. Then x power 4 will going to cancel. Then we have to write all this. Then minus 3x square plus 2x cube plus 4. So we have to take it down. This 4 also we have to take down. Like that. So here minus 3x square is there. For that, minus 3x square by, here first term is minus 3x square, here first term is x. So by x we have to do. Then what you will get? Minus 3x we will get. Minus 3x, x ones are here, x will come. So after cancellation, x will come. Minus 3x. So write minus 3x here. So minus 3x. Then minus 3x into x. So what it will be? Minus 3x into x minus 2. That is minus 3x square plus 6x. So plus 6x. So we are going to write 6x. So write this one. Minus 3x we are already written. So minus 3x square plus 6x. Then here we are going to change the symbols for down one. Only we will change for this one. So it will become plus, it will become minus. Only we have to change. We should not change for upper ones. So plus 3x square minus 3x square will going to cancel. Then 2x cube minus plus 4 minus 6x. So 2x cube minus 6x plus 4. We have to write like that. Then what is our next step we have to take? So here 2x square, 2x cube is there. So for that 2x cube by x. You have here first term is 2x cube by first term here is x. Then we are going to cancel x one the then 2x square we will get. So write plus 2x square. So whatever it is there here, minus means minus only will get, here plus means plus only will get. So plus 2x square. So plus 2x square into x minus 2, what you will get? 2x cube minus 4x square. So 2x cube minus 4x square. So we have to change the symbols for down one. So plus will become minus, this one will become plus. Then 2x cube will going to cancel. Then what you will get here? 4x square minus 6x plus 4. So 4x square minus 6x plus 4 we are getting. Then what is this again? So next one, 4x square by 6x. So 4x square by 6x. So first term is 4x square. So 4x square by x, we have to do x one the x, then 4x will come. So 4x plus 4x. So 4x square minus 8x minus 8x. So here minus 8x. So if you calculate this one, we are going to change the symbols for this. So plus minus 4x square plus 4x square. Then what is this? We'll get plus 8x and 6x minus 6x. What you will get? So here 8x plus 8x minus 6x will become 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 4. Here what is the first term? 2x. So divide with x. Here first term is x. So x will going to cancel. Then it will become 2. So plus 2. So 2x again here I will write here 2x plus 4. So 2x, 2 to the 4. So minus 4. So then what is that? Minus will go into plus, plus will become minus. Then this will be going to cancel. 8 we will get. So what is this expression? So what is the remainder? The remainder will be equal to 8. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.